Hello guys, my name is Shani SK, SAP FICO, S4 HANA Finance and CA trainer. Today I am going to discuss about what is operating concern and how to delete in the SAP system. So COPA Class 5 Profitability Analysis Controlling Module. Free lectures for my YouTube subscribers in English. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's move to the topic. So here I mentioned all the important points which are required to making the operating concern in the SAP system. So operating concern is one of the highest organized structure in SAP. Like if you want to implement COPA module. So in order to implement COPA module, we need one operating concern. So this is one of the highest organized structure in controlling module. Okay. So possible ways to analyze the profitability analysis. So in order to analyze the profitability analysis COPA module, so on what basis, the first question is what basis we need to analyze the profits. So profit by products and profit by certain region and profit by certain customers and profit by certain salesperson, these are all called as a market segments. So we need to analyze the profits based on the market segments. So here I just mentioned some of the structure of the operating concern over here. So we need to make operating concern based on these two factors like characteristics and value fields. So what is the difference between characteristics and value fields? I explained clearly in the previous classes. We can also see the video. So the description box you can find the class links, and also I am updating all these things in the comment box. You can see the links over there. So characteristics are just like if a company wants to perform any kind of COPA analysis based on this like sales organization, region, product or customers, then the company will perform based on the characteristics. Characteristics is just like to perform your analysis based on the sales organization wise or region wise or product or customer wise. The COPA analysis will be happen based on the sales organization, region, product, and value fields are nothing but generally used in the costing based profitability analysis. So if the company wants to perform any analysis based on the COPA, like based on this revenue, sales reduction, cost and quantities, these are very important for the COPA perspective. So in COPA, so in the operating concern, these both two are very important because so we need to structure the operating concern based on the characteristics and value fields. We need to map into the system. Okay. So and for planning point of view, both are very important and doing any kind of this configuration. And you can see the structure. The structure may be vary mostly from company to another company because for the total production cost in the manufacturing company is not same for the wholesale or retail company. So the structure, the formation should be vary, and so whatever the characteristics and value field is required for the manufacturing company, that may be not same for the retail company. So that is the reason structure is not same for every company, and consequently you need to model COPA in the customizing by defining the characteristics and value fields that you want to analyze. If the company wants to analyze the profitability analysis based on these characteristics and value fields, so there are customizing value fields and characteristics that you need to create according to the client requirement if required. So there are already pre-defined standard value fields and characteristics also given by the SAP. So which one we will use, that depends upon the client decision. So here, so there are characteristics and value fields, both are there. Some are user defined, and you can also see delivered by SAP and delivered by SAP. Okay. So you can also customize these value fields and characteristics based on the user defined, and already SAP has given the these characteristics and value fields. This is predefined. This is predefined by SAP itself. So which one you will use depends upon the client decision. So in order to create the operating concern, both are very required because based on these two factors like characteristics and value fields, we need to make operating concern. So we need to plan the COPA. So deleting operating concern, this is the second topic. So how to delete operating concern, I just given the details over here in theoretical way so you people understand. And here the first in order to delete operating concern, you need to carry out a number of steps over here. So the first step is just like deactivate the operating concern for all controlling areas. So operating concern should be linked with control. All controlling areas should be assigned to operating concern, right? So first one is client, after that operating concern, then is next one is controlling areas. So these controlling areas are assigned to operating concern. So we need to deactivate the operating concern for all controlling areas. That is the primary step, and that belongs to all fiscal years. Okay, so in order to delete operating concern, first thing is, so deactivate the operating concern for all controlling areas, and that belongs to all fiscal years. Then using this function, activate operating concern function, we can deactivate all the operating concerns for the all the financial years, right? The next one is delete the assignment of controlling areas to your operating concern using the assignment operating concern. So the second one is delete the assignment. So operating controlling areas are assigned to operating concern. So this configuration, so delete all the assignment of controlling areas to your operating concern by using this functionality, assign operating concern. Okay, so you can access the following steps in the following function, operating concern, and so here n was missing, to delete. Okay, so delete the client customization settings. So after completing step 1 and 3, you can also proceed with the following steps. So delete environment and delete the data structure. Once you delete the data structure, the system also delete all transactional data in the operating concern. This can no longer to be recalled. Okay, if you want to delete the characteristics and value fields that are not used in the operating concern, so please be noted this point. So those value fields and characteristics are not used in the operating concern, then that you can also delete. You can do it by using this function, maintain characteristics and maintain value fields. So by using these two, characteristics and value fields, we can also delete the characteristics and value fields which are not used in the COPA. So this is all about operating concern and how to delete operating concern. I have provided some steps. So these steps are very helpful to crack any kind of interview as well. So this is just like basic classes I am explaining over here, so people should understand. And coming classes I will explain what is the difference between operating concern and controlling area. So thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. So please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.